This is my new song, and it's called On the Side of Life's Highway. I had dreams, plans on life's highway. Didn't know where to start or where to go. I needed a guide on life's highway. You crossed my path to do what you meant to do. You put my feet towards where they're meant to be. You are the one, you are the light, you are the guide. But I left you on the side of life's highway. Time had came and went on life's highway. You were creating holes and hurting me. It was time to leave on life's highway. You crossed my path to do what you meant to do. Put my feet towards where they're meant to be. I had a need, I had a want, you were my guide. But I left you on the side of life's highway. We have goals and plans on life's highway. We don't know where to start or where to go. We need guides on life's highway and cross our paths to do what they're meant to do. We have a need, they are the one, they are the guide. Sometimes we leave them on the side of life's highway. I apologize, I got a bird apparently deciding he's going to sing with me too. Okay. Alrighty. Got another spoon. I'm gonna put my spoon back on. It's called Time Flies. Feels like yesterday, you and I by the campfire. Me singing, playing on my old guitar. And I was trying to say like me and you. Oh, time flies when you're having fun. Oh, time flies when you're falling in love. Oh, time flies when you're falling in love. Still chase me around this old house. Is that you? Or maybe that's me. And even after all this time, we're still falling in love. Oh, time flies when you're having fun. Oh, time flies when you're falling in love. Oh, time flies when you're falling in love. And time, it's gonna fly. But I'm still falling in love. Oh, time flies when you're falling in love. I'm pretty sure you can hear this bird just singing away with me today. Wow, wow, wow. Lordy. Sitting in the garden all alone, a little bitty red bud sitting with me, singing my love, my love, my love. I've sure been missing you. Sit in the garden all alone, a little red bird singing a song. He's singing my love, my love, my love. I've sure been missing. And if the rumor's true, I know that you're missing me too. sit in the garden, redbird and me. And I'm singing, well, my love, sure been missing you. And if the rumor's true, I know that you're singing with me too. Redbird rumors, redbird rumors. I just figured since this bird's singing with me, might as well sing the Redbird song, I guess. Whatever. You have been my best friend for years now. I think that it's time you need to know the way that I feel when I'm with you, with you. Whether I'm happy or if I'm sad, maybe even when I'm mad, I'm with you, with you. Rumor is the world is gonna end. And if it's gonna happen, I hope that you'll be with me in the end, in the end, in the end. Go for a walk in a park somewhere. You take my hand and you lead me to be there, just to check out the turtle in the creek, maybe even a beetle on a tree. Oh, be there, be there. Rumor is the world is gonna end. If it's gonna happen, I hope that you'll be with me in the end, in the end, in the end. Prince always gets the princess at the end. The birds and the bees singing in the trees, enchanted forest, the end of our story, end of story, end of our story. This bird is really singing away. Little blonde hair and big blue eyes, a little red wagon not far behind. I wanna go play, play outside. Let's go play, play outside. Let's go playing at the park. Let's go playing in your yard. Let's go climb that big apple tree. Let's play house on me. I want to go play outside. Let's go play outside. Let's go swimming in the green, playing with the mud below your feet. A couple crawdads just sitting in a jar. Summertime fun in your yard. I wanna go play outside. Let's go play outside. It don't matter if it's cold. It don't matter if there's snow. A couple snowmen and a great big sled. A wintertime fun outside. I wanna go play outside. Let's go play outside. Little blonde hair, big blue eyes, a little red wagon, not far behind. Thank you.